Hi everyone, so just sharing a quick observation on the momentum swing indicators. So from the past couple of days in our post, we have been highlighting that the daily swing and the average swing, which is nothing but a diffusion of checking the how the momentum proprietary momentum indicator is behaving on the all the FNO scripts and plotting it as a percentage. So there was this positive divergence here which is now cleared off with the up move in the swing, and the market has moved up substantially. Now, at the same time, we can see as of intraday prices today, the current value is at 97, which is even above the second orange line. So it is extremely in the overbought zone. So it does not mean that market will fall right away, but it can surely hint at a cool off or a pause in the market. So if we look at average swing also, that has also reached 88, that is close to 90, and we have seen such numbers leading to eventually a cool off. So there are two possibilities. If we are in a bear market kind of scenario like this one, there the high numbers of swing you can see lead to big falls like these. But if we are starting a very new trend, then it is also possibility that the both the swing and average swing shot up, initially, and then the market continues up slowly. So both of these possibilities are as of now open, but the observation right now is that these both of these indicators have reached an extremely high level. Thank you.